In this video, we're taking a look at a model home by ICI Homes. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Silverleaf community located in St. Augustine, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at a model home by ICI Homes. Now this model is located in the Courtney Grove neighborhood within the Silverleaf community. This is the Monica floor plan. This home is built on an 80-foot home site, and we're going to start our tour out here in this beautiful courtyard. There are two garages, side entry garage with space for 2 cars in each garage. So you're going to have a 4-car garage. Now this home features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and approximately 3,488 square feet. Here we have the front porch. These are 10-foot entry doors. Okay, you can see the glass and metal frame. Here we have very tall foyer, looks like 14 feet. And we're gonna start our tour over here in the dining room. This area is approximately 12 feet with 10 inches by 12 feet, 4 inches. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Charlie Flores, and I feature new construction videos on my channel, floor plans and community tours. Now, if you're looking to purchase a new home built from the ground up or a home that is in process or completed, I'd be happy to assist you. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Please be sure to reach out to me first before reaching out or visiting a builder, since builders do require that the agent be present at your first visit. So look forward to hearing from you. All right, so here we have the study. This space is approximately 13 feet by 14 feet. Coffered ceilings there. Now all of the structural options, you can see that model home, or this model home, it's very nice, very beautiful finishes. These options can be chosen at the design center if you're building from ground up. That's where you choose the home site and then the floor plan that'll go on that home site. Take a look at this open space with the vaulted ceilings, the beams. We're going to continue our tour to the left. All right, here we have a butler's pantry. Here we have a nook, and then the kitchen. All right, now as I was mentioning, these options can be chosen at the design center. So you'll be able to customize your home, choose the type of cabinetry, the colors, the type of countertops, flooring. All right, let's continue ahead. Now this is the mechanical room, so that's where the HVAC will be housed. Here is the pantry. Straight ahead to that door is the garage entry door. You have a mudroom here. In the laundry room. Now Silverleaf is a natural gas community, so you do have the option of having a gas dryer, and then there will also be a dedicated outlet if you prefer an electric dryer. Okay, window here allowing some light. Okay, we continue into bedroom 2. And to give you some perspective, these interior doors are 8 feet, and then ceiling height here in the hallway and in the bedroom are 10 feet. All right, so here we have bedroom 2. This room is approximately 15 feet with 4 inches by 11 feet. Features a walk-in closet. And this bedroom does feature an ensuite bath. Okay, with the shower tub combo. Okay, heading over to bedroom 3. It's going to be on the other side. So this is a nice split floor plan. Now here we have bedrooms 3 and 4. This is bedroom 3. This bedroom is approximately 13 feet by 12 feet. Here's the closet. So walk in as well. This bedroom also features an ensuite bath. This one has a walk-in shower. Next we have bedroom 4. This bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 14 feet, 4 inches. You can see there's lots of space to walk around here. And the closet is also a walk-in closet. Then this bedroom also features an ensuite bath slash pool bath because you have a door here leading to the lanai, walk-in shower. All right, we're gonna take a look at the lanai and then we'll take a look at the master bedroom. Here you have sliders. All right, so here we have the covered lanai, staged with some seating. More seating on this side. Then you have your oasis back here. Gonna give you a pan, then we'll walk around. Okay. Eating area. Then you have your outdoor kitchen set up here. Space for TV, fridge, the grill, the sink. Then we have waterfall over here, a sunken seating area, and here's the pool. Jacuzzi, and take a look at the lanai. And over here we have a fire pit, and then some chairs, an area where you can sunbathe. All right, let's take a look at the master bedroom, which is this room over here. Heading over to the master bedroom. Just before getting there, we have the living room. This living room features a fireplace. And this space is approximately 19 feet by 20 feet, 10 inches. It's a dry bar area over here with cabinetry. All right, and then here we enter into the master bedroom. There's 2 walk-in closets, a couple of transom windows in this closet, allowing some natural light. And here we have the second walk-in closet. And here we have the master bedroom. You have some trim work within the tray ceiling. Now this space is approximately 15 feet with 8 inches by 20 feet. You have some large windows, allowing lots of natural light. Okay, the door that I pointed out when we were outside, access to the lanai. Now, if you want to know more information, the structural options, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd be happy to gather more information for you and also schedule an appointment with the builder where we can have a consult. Here's the master bath. Okay, standalone tub. And then a super shower. Okay, and then I believe this is the water closet. If you'd like more information on ICI Homes, the Silverleaf community, or looking to make a move to the Northeast Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.